of the easiest ways to figure out how large your sample size is for a specific variable is to just create a bar graph. So you can see here in my example, you can see I've got a lot of different variables, but I don't have the same number of rows for each variable. That just means that some students responded to some variable, like I had more students respond to height, but I didn't have the same number of students who responded to employment type. So each variable is going to have a different sample size. Okay, let's take a look at employment and let's say I want to eventually find out, well, what proportion of students said who answered this survey question about employment type. Out of all of those students who responded to that question, what proportion of them work full time? What proportion of them work part time? What proportion of them are unemployed? So let's go ahead and create a bar graph so that we can get the frequency for each category. So let me go ahead and choose employment. Oops, just employment. And then this will help me get my sample size. So we can see here that one student said full-time, 14 said part-time, and 9 said unemployed. So if we add those together, 1 plus 14 plus 9, that means 24 students responded to this employment type survey question. So my sample size here is 24. And so now if I want to answer the question, well, what proportion of students who responded work part-time, then you know, okay, well, part-time, that's 14 out of 24 or 58.3%. So this is how you can use bar graphs to help you answer proportion type questions.